Welcome to our channel Circuits Analytica. In this video, we will discuss a tutorial on transient analysis of RL circuits in S-domain. Let us start with the behavior of capacitor and inductor in steady state. In steady state, current flow through a capacitor is equal to 0, or capacitor does not allow sudden changes in voltage. dVc is equal to 0. In the case of an inductor, voltage drop across an inductor is equal to 0 during steady state, or inductor does not allow sudden changes in current. DIL is equal to 0. For the following circuit, find the current flow through the circuit I of t for all values of t greater than 0. So the given circuit consists of a voltage source, switch which is open initially for all values of t less than 0, resistance R and inductor L. So the given circuit can be redrawn as shown here. For all values of t less than 0, switch is open, so I of t is equal to 0. When switch is closed at t is equal to 0, current I of t flows. This circuit can be represented as, so in time domain, the given circuit becomes as shown in the diagram. As u of t is equal to 0 for all values of t less than 0, I of t is equal to 0, and as u of t is equal to 1 for all values of t greater than 0, I of t flows. So this is the given diagram. Now let us transform the circuit from time domain to frequency domain. In frequency domain, V into u of t becomes V by S, current I of t becomes I of S, and inductor L becomes SL. Applying KVL to the loop, we will get V by S minus I of S into R plus SL is equal to 0. So we can write I of S is equal to V by S the whole divided by L into S plus R by L. I of S is equal to A by S plus B divided by S plus R by L. Our aim is to find I of t. I of t is equal to Laplace inverse of I of S, and I of S is equal to A by S plus B divided by S plus R by L. Now let us find A and B. So we can write V by L is equal to A into S plus R by L plus B into S. So solving these equations, we will get A is equal to V by R and B is equal to minus V by R. So we can write I of S is equal to V by R divided by S plus minus V by R divided by S plus R by L. Or we can write I of S is equal to V by R into 1 by S minus 1 by S plus R by L. I of t is equal to Laplace inverse of I of S. So I of t is equal to Laplace inverse of V by R into 1 by S minus 1 by S plus R by L. So V by R is a constant. So taking V by R outside, we can write I of t is equal to V by R into Laplace inverse of 1 by S minus 1 by S plus R by L. Finally, we will get I of t is equal to V by R into 1 minus e raised to minus R by L into t, U of t. Thanks for watching Circuits Analytica. Enjoy learning.